Marley. Now, Scout is submissive to Marley.
Yeah.
Marley doesn't take any crap off those pups. I was going to put... These need to be washed. Yeah. Yeah, but it's playing.
It should cover more ground now, the bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it covers fast.
Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Huh? Where's your toy?
Hmm?
Where's your toy? Go find the ball. Come on. Where's the ball? Come on, look here. Here's the ball. William's trying to cover it up. Look here. You want your ball? Go get it. I don't know what that is. Get it. Get it, boys. Let me see. Y'all find this stuff to tear up.